Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Young Studio 40. Like, subscribe and share this video because it's useful. Today I want to show you how to reset or factory reset your beautiful brand new One UI 2.5 Android 10. I installed this thing on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now look at this is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Amazing phone, beautiful. I installed this beautiful update and it's working very well. No problem with this. Today I want to show you how to factory reset this thing. How to factory reset. To do this, you need to go on settings. Okay, go on settings and have about phone, and under you can see reset. You need to click on reset, and now you can choose what you want. You have reset settings, reset network settings, and factory data reset is under just here for you. If you want to do this, click on this and follow the instruction. This is the first method. There are another method that I want to show you now. First, you need to turn off your phone. Do something like that. Wonderful. Now, you need to hold free touch. You need to hold PCB button, volume up, and power button at the same time, like that. One PCB button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Press the three buttons and wonderful. When you come here, now you are ready to factory reset this phone with this method. This is one of the best that I recommend you to do. What can you see here? You can see whip. You can see whip data factory reset. Okay, whip data factory reset. Before doing this, make sure that you have saved all of your data, because all of this thing will erase your internal storage without your SD card. Okay, make sure that you are you are save your photo and other things what you need before doing this. Now with volume down and volume up, you can move like that. You can do something like that, and welcome on whip data factory reset. Whip data factory reset, and you can see under this information here, red, you can see if your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. Wow, this is what you need to know before doing this. Okay, if you are ready to do this, what can you do? You can click on power button just like that, and when you come here, what can you do? You can do volume down again. Okay, volume down, and click on power button to finalize this action. You can also see here more informations about your system. You can see Android recovery, Samsung, Naver, all of this. Okay, this is how to reset this. I don't want to do this because my phone working very well. Now I want to go on console You can see like that. Go back, click on power button to validate. Okay, 1 2 3 like that, and you can see reboot system now. When you finish, if you validate this, you need to do the same action also and click on what? On reboot system now, like that, and the process started. This is what we're talking about. This is what I'm talking about. And when your phone is reset, you need to enter again your Google account, your password, your Samsung account to access to Galaxy features and applications. Okay, now as you can see, I have not reset my phone. Now I need to put my password and enter to this beautiful phone. And wonderful is working. All of this here. Internal storage 64 gigabytes. Look at what is available. Almost 10 gigabytes. SD card. Okay, wonderful. As you can see, it's easy to do this. Very, very, very easy. Okay, and wonderful. If you want to check to see if you have a new update after reset, this is simple. Connect your phone to your network. Okay, when it's connected, look at, okay, search for connection. Wonderful. When it's connected, click on software after reset and click on download and install, and check for checking for updates. Check for update. Okay, just like that. Okay, if there are no update, you will see a new update here and the process started for the installation of this beautiful new update. But here you can see your software is up to date. You can see this is security patch level October 1st 2020. Okay, you can see last update. The last update was installed on 27 October 2020. Okay, this is a brand new update. The thing that you need to know is this. Okay, October 1st 2020 security patch level. Okay, I also want to enjoy this video. I also very useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and get ready for the next video. Next video for the God bless you all with your brand new amazing 108.5. Thank you for watching.